Okay, on to a quick video looking at multiplying matrices again, but this time where the identity matrix is involved. But there's nothing crazy going on here at all, as you're going to see. Now the question says find the value of t, so find this value given that these two matrices multiplied gives you I. Now, we know that this is the identity matrix because I is what we give it as. Now I'm going to rewrite I as what it actually is, which is simply 1, 0, 0, 1. This is what the identity matrix is. Now with these kind of questions, just multiply out the matrices and it will begin to unfold. So take the first two matrices and just begin to multiply them, and then we can go and put it equal to this one and look at comparing terms. So again, the same method as what we've been doing, the rows with the columns. So times the first row with the first column, and let's just work through this. So we've got minus 5 times by 4, which is minus 20, so minus 20, and we've got 3 times by 7, which is plus 21. There we go. We then do the first row with the second column, so minus 5 times by t is minus 5t, and 3 times by 5 gives you plus 15. There we go. We then got the second row with the first column, so 7 times by 4 gives you 28, and minus 4 times by 7 gives you minus 28. And maybe you're starting to realise what's going on here. Okay, we'll clear it up in a second. You then got the second row with the second column, so 7 times by t gives you 7t, and minus 4 times by 5 gives you minus 20. Okay, so I've just multiplied out the first two matrices, and that's going to be equal to the identity matrix, which is over here, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let's just go and tidy up the left-hand side. So we've got minus 20 plus 21, which is going to give you 1. You've got minus 5t plus 15. You can't really do anything there, so just keep it as minus 5t plus 15. And we've got on the bottom, 28 take away 28 is going to give you 0. And over here you've got 7t take away 20, close the matrix, is equal to the identity, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you can see, and this is good because it makes sense, that already the terms are matching up. You've got the top left term, 1 is equal to 1, which makes sense, and the bottom left is equal to the bottom left over here. Now you want to find the value of t here. Now actually you can do this in two different ways because you've got two more equations here. You've got the top right term, minus 5t plus 15, must be equal to 0. If these two matrices are equal, you must be able to equal the two terms. And similarly, down here, 70 take away 20 must be equal to 1. I'm going to solve both of them just to show you that you should get the same answer for t in both cases. Okay, so let's just go and double check that. So if we look at the top right term, which is minus 5t plus 15, that should be equal to 0. Now solving this, that's going to get the plus 15 onto this side by taking it away. So minus 5t is going to be equal to minus 15. And then divide through by negative 5. So negative 15 divided by negative 5 will give you t being equal to positive 3. So t should be equal to 3, and that is our answer. We're just going to go and double check it over here. Now, it should also be the case that 7 times by 3 take away 20 gives you 1. Let's just go and double check it. So over here, if this is true, 7 times by our t value, which is 3, take away 20 should be equal to the bottom right term, which is 1. 7 times by 3 gives you 21. Take away 20 does indeed give you 1. So t must be correct. Okay, so that is it. So you found the value of t. T is equal to 3. Now what you can do is, you can pause the video, you can try the question on the right, the your turn, very similar to style question. You've got a few more negatives in there, but it's the same thing again. I'm not going to go through it, I'm going to put the answer on the screen in a second, but pause it first and give that a go. Okay, hopefully you've given that a go. If you did, the answer for t should be equal to negative 7. If that is not correct, maybe try it again, and if you're still stuck, you can come and see me in class or comment in the comment section, sorry. But that is it for this video on multiplying matrices with the identity matrix involved. Okay, thank you.